Hi everyone and welcome to my new channel for the parks. Before publishing videos, I wanted to introduce myself and tell you a bit more about what this channel is gonna look like. So my name is Fabrizio, I'm Italian, I've been living in London for 5 years now and I'm a theme park enthusiast. It's a passion that started long time away. That's a picture from early 90s, I think, in Fantasyland. I love rides, I love coasters, I love theme park in general. I've been visiting some of them in Italy, Gardaland, Cinecittà and Rainbow Magic Land, UK, Alton Towers Store Park, and then Fantasyland, Ocean Park in Hong Kong, and more to come. Recently, I visited Gardaland in Italy, so I'm gonna do a video shortly of pros and cons, what I liked, what I didn't like, of Gardaland in general as a park, and of Jumanji The Adventure, this brand new dark ride, the first one in the world, the novelty of the park for 2022. I'm gonna publish also a video to explain you how I select the dates where I visit the park in order to get 0 minutes queue on all the rides, especially Jumanji. See here, 0 minutes. It's just some tips and tricks, but trust me, if you identify the right day, it's gonna make a massive difference. Then we are gonna have a video about Fantasyland, my 2 days experience in Rockburg, the 2 days package. I'm gonna tell you how it works, what's included, and if it's worth it. Then I've got a little gem here. It's like Euro Disney Resort. It's I think it's a brochure published even before the opening, which has got a really nice section inside. Well, it's got all the different lands, all the different maps, but there is a section here, quite interesting, that says all the development, the planned development from 92 to 2017, and none of them really happened ever. Fine. Just a few notes, I'm not going to publish any POV, or I'm not going to walk around with a selfie stick in the parks. I'm just going to publish some videos at the end of the visit, just telling you some tips, tricks, useful information, and an honest review of the theme park itself. All the visits are self-funded, so there is no partnership, no sponsorship, and so I've got really no issues in saying what I really didn't like. If you like the project, I would love you to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned, because lots of videos are going to be published really soon. I'll see you soon. Bye.